Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag. To know how to fix or how to solve lag on Shein, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of Shein and you can click here in this page. As you see, and you can click. Then you'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem up. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.